Hey, what's happening? What's going on, YouTube? It's Matt here with another day trading video. It's been a while since I was able to do one because the markets have been terrible for day trading. So I've just been hodling up a storm. But today's been fun and I've been able to do a little bit more stuff. So just want to show you what I'm in right now and what I'm thinking about doing. So I have a decent sized position here in IOST, about 4,300 of them, about half of these walls, so not too big, not too small. Been watching it all day. It's had some good pumps. I'm going to be using Coinigy for the actual analysis because my Binance is close, or it just lags. Um, so here, what we're seeing, we see this rounded bottom at the bottom, or this rounded bottom, and kind of like that, right? And then what we see after that is this little stem like that. I'm actually going to go and copy this exact same line for the channel, which was confirmed there. And then we see the channel start to break. It stops going down as much, it starts curving over a little bit, and then we pop out of this channel. So I actually did buy on this pop out of the channel right here at 9,400. The RSI is pretty neutral, so we got some room to run. But this right here is a cup and handle pattern. I did send a picture, like this exact same picture, basically. I've been sending it all the way through to my Discord. We are at a resistance level right here, but we are past it right now in the current candle. So we'll have to see what happens. Basically on a cup and handle breakout, what you should be expecting is for, actually I'm going to change my line here. We want to see a breakout past this point. So it's a bullish trend. This whole trend is bullish, but we want to see right here this get above. We want it to see it hit this line at 10.6. And then if it breaks through this line at 10.6, then it's a runner and we'll have a lot of potential to be moving a lot. So that's what I'm looking for right now in this breakout. But it is slowly moving up here. We're getting some more volume in. We need the volume to get above whatever's on the graph right now in order for it to be like a true breakout. RSI is moving around, which is good and healthy. This is on the 15-minute. If we change to a 30-minute, it'll look basically the same thing. So this is that cup and handle pattern that we all love and adore. And so that's what I'm trading right now. I will be looking for an exit. So like I said, I got in after we broke out of the channel at 94, and I'll probably look for an exit around 10.5. And then once I exit at 10.5, I'll be looking for a confirmation of a breakout above 10.6. And so maybe like 10.7 or something, I'll have a order in. And then from 10.7, I'm looking at 11.5 as being a strong number. And if 11.5 is rejected, well, first off, if 10.5 is rejected, I won't, or 10.6 is rejected, I'll be okay. I'll have already locked in my profits. If it goes up, I'll play it through till 11.5. If that's rejected, I probably will sell a little bit before and then let it bust through again, and then I'll play that. That strategy being that I want it to lock in my profits before every major line of support or resistance in order to ensure that I am making my gains. So yeah, we're just getting that little bit of a curvature pattern, slowly increasing here. I mean, that's all good stuff. That's what we want. So I'm just going to sit on this for a little bit, put in my sell order at 10.5, and then look at some more coins. We're still neutral, which is great. We're increasing and we're neutral in the RSI. Volume is half decent. It could go up, and we'll probably see it go up a little more soon. But we are filling in these candles, which is great. So like I said, we established the pattern that this is forming, which is the cup and the handle. And once we established that, then we drew our channels to see where could the breakout happen. We saw this ending green candle here, which meant that the breakout was probably going to happen then, which was confirmed outside of the channel on the next candle. We bought in, and now we're riding it up and expecting to sell at 10.5. See what happens with this. Most likely is going to be a big sell wall at 10.6. After 10.6, if it breaks through, we'll buy right back in, ride that up to 11.35, because there's going to be a big sell wall at 11.45. And then if it breaks 11.45, we're probably going to be shooting for the 12s. And at that point, I'll buy back in again and be looking for an exit before 12.5. If it breaks that, then I'll be looking for a quick entry and exit to get out before 13. And then if it breaks that, we're going to an all-time high up here, and I'll be holding that until we see some crazy stuff happen. So that's the general game plan right now for IOST. That's how I'm playing this breakout that is currently happening, and I hope that you learned something from this on how to play these, how to find those support and resistance lines, how to find the cup and handle, and how to get in and lock profit, get in and out and lock profits, all while trading. So hope you enjoyed it. Peace.